So how to get premium account of Netflix? So first of all, let's get started. Open the Chrome browser and go to extensions. You have to download and install one extension called edit this cookie. So to download this extension, the link will be given in the description box below, so go check the description. Okay, so after you will see here it is installing and adding to the Chrome, and now it has been successfully installed on the Chrome browser. Okay, as you can see over here. Yeah, so the next step, okay, first of all let me show you that I haven't signed in the Netflix account. Okay, now go to the link in the description box below and you will redirect here to the website over here, and make sure you choose the latest cookies of the day. So today is 6th June 2018 and here is the 6th June 2018, so I'll go with the latest one. So let me first clear the thing. This trick works on the cookies. So if you once logged in with the Netflix account, you won't log out. Simply close the browser to log out. If you log out from the Netflix account, you might get log in again. Okay, so I'll go ahead with the random cookie. So yeah, now I'm skipping this link because it is too somehow lengthy process. Okay, so here you can see this is the cookie, and go ahead and select all and just copy this and go to the netflix.com. Okay, so as you can see I haven't signed in yet, so go ahead and open the extension and delete all these cookies and just click here import and paste the cookie and just click on OK, and when you refresh the thing, and you will see you are logged into someone's account, no matter whose account is this, and you can see all these things, all the Netflix, you are logged in Netflix. So keep in mind that you have to use the latest cookies to make this process valid, and hope this video will help you guys. If this video helps you, make sure to like this video and share, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.